The gay Igbo man who is glowy, sexy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, is going out with his man. We are going out. The weather today, nice, mildly good. I am doing all denim today and some sort of like Thai vibes going on. Yes, okay, come with me, come, let's go and spend some time together. You know what I am really confused about? Is some of you who in 2026 still carry religion on top of your head and are still being extremely homophobic with it as well. Some of you that are constantly using the name of God to be mean to people. It is 2026. Why are you not questioning anything? Question, ask questions, use your common sense. And some of you that are constantly saying that in a situation where a gay person wasn't giving birth to, that abortion wouldn't be a sin. Ask questions, because religious psychosis is out here doing something to some of you and you think you are good people. I have mentioned this so many times in so many versions, in so many ways. LGBTQIA plus individuals are not sinners. You, the so-called person that is very close to God, that is always being mean, homophobic and wicked, you are the sinner. I just wanted to remind you of that. We finished what we're doing. You know me, I am going to get a picture, and I did. I got some pictures taken. My man never misses when it comes to these pictures. He does a really good job. The sun finally came out as well. It's been cloudy all day. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Make sure to listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Thank you so much for joining the movement for visibility, truth and representation. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.